How's it going today? Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to start off with the rust repair in the inner fender wells. So took out the interior here in the back just to show you what we're up against. That is what it looks like. On the other side it's just as bad too. Doesn't look too bad to fix. We'll get started here. We're going to cut out some sections here and see how that works out today. Here's what it looks like on the inside here. So once I get that all cleaned up here, I'll take another shot of exactly what we're going to be removing here. Alright. Well, that's pretty much what it looks like right now. I'll have a lot of rust that's just tearing itself apart. The entire section is going to have to be changed out. So what I'm going to do now is start taking out some spot welds and marking a little area which I'm going to be cutting out with the grinder. Probably going to be taking out a fair chunk of this. Now there's a ton of original factory undercoating rubberized stuff and it's hard to get off. Like, that's just from like 10 minutes. It's all over the ground. If anybody knows of any stuff that takes this stuff off, like chemical or something that just dissolves it, I'm all ears. This is just ridiculous how hard it is to take off. I'm going to be here for hours. But I'll show you some more pics after I get the spot welds taken out. Well, that's the driver's side down. Believe it or not, that took me a good hour to do. Just pull out all the spot welds and just grind it all up until we got bare metal there. Everything else is good. There's a few spot welds I'm going to have to do, make some fill-ins, but that's for another day. I think today I'm going to call it a day. So, this is where we're at. Cut out all the bad section on the driver's side now, and I'm just going to get some patch panels ready to put in there. Luckily, this is not a structural part of the car, except for right here where the spring goes. However, it is extremely good condition, so I'm pretty happy about that. It just needed a good clean up there. I will be POR 15ing everything when I put it back together. So this thing will be just caked in that stuff there for rust prevention. Other than that, yeah, there wasn't much metal left in there. I mean, Toyota sandwiches 3 plates together and the inside rusts out. And then it takes out the other 2 plates and that's the end of that. It's almost like a cheese sandwich, really. The steel eventually all just becomes cheese. But this side's done. The other side's done. Actually, you can see right through the car on the other side there. Get some plates made up and we'll go from there. So hopefully in the next video. Hello. So passenger side hole has now been patched. I put a nice couple. I put what was it, 1/16 gauge steel there, and welded it all in and covered it in POR 15. And then after that, I'll undercoat it, clean it up nicely, and it'll look perfect. So here's the finished product. I hope you can all see that pretty well there. It's nicely done. It's 2 patches. Due to all the curves and bends, it just made it easier. Now, I'm going to videotape the other side being done. So hopefully, so basically both sides of the welding is now done. And just a little bit of grinding left to do on it, so I'll do that next time, but I'm not going to show a video of that because, well, it's boring. So that's the inside here. So much nicer. Everything's now going to be cleaned up, sanded down, and hit with POR 15. Now this side here has already been hit with POR 15. Now that stuff is bonded straight through both sides, all seams. And this is the other side here. So, we are done that. We'll just start undercoating and priming here. That will be on another episode. So, thanks for watching. This was about 2 weeks of work. It's hard to find time to do it, but get her done.